Hello guys, welcome to the course PLC for beginners, and today we are going to start the software part of the course. So today what we are going to do is we are going to download the software, we are going to install the software, and we are going to do a basic setup so we can directly start the programming of the PLC. So let's get started. So as I have planned the lecture for the beginners, I will be using one of the simplest software to explain the concept of PLC programming. So for this, I am going to use software of Delta, which is ISPSoft, and the version we are going to use is 3.08. Higher versions are also available, but the 3.08 is very beginner friendly. So to make it easy for you, I have both the softwares in my drive. I will share the link of the drive so you can directly easily go and download both the software. Here you can say this ISPSoft 3.08 is our software, main software, and ComGuide is basically the communication. So ComGuide will help us to build a communication for the simulation environment. So it's very important, and I will show you how to set up both the ISPSoft and ComGuide. So let's start the installation process. You can find all the links in the description. So first we will install our ISPSoft. It will take few time to install, so be patient. Click on next. I accept. Click for only for me and just install it. So our installation is completed. We'll wait for a rate of setup. Okay, so it's completed. We can close it now. So now let's go to the ComGuard. Running. Let it be the default location. It's completed. Okay, so now we have both the ISPSoft 3.08 and the ComGuard 1.13 version. So let's first run the ISPSoft. So this is the view you will get when you run the ISPSoft. Then first we will create a new project. Go to here and create a new project. Let's name it test one and make sure your project type is SV. SV is for the simulation and press OK. On the window, on the programs, right click on it and create a new. We can name it as also test one program. And we are going to do the cyclic task, and there are different languages available for this, but for now we are going to use ladder logic. You can also add the protection by adding the password here, but we are don't going to set any password, so we'll keep it none. We are going to use ladder logic. Here are different type of task available. We are going to use cyclic task and we'll create it. Okay, no, so we have to change the name actually. Test underscore program. Yeah. So now this will be our programming ladder logic programming UI. You can extend it here, like extend it here. So I will explain you what tools we are available here in our ISPSoft. So here you already familiar with new file creation. Here you can open file, save, print. This is for display workspace. You can either keep it in left or you can keep it in bottom. We are going to use this soon, so I will let you know that then. This is cut, copy, paste these features. This is zoom in, zoom out. This is for there are different types of contacts. So I will show you a basic how it's done. So we'll write LD M0. M0 is basically you can say it's a NO switch. Okay, and we'll take an output. So out Y0. So this is an output. So basically, we are going to program it like that. When you press M0, which is the input, a push button, the Y0 should be turned on. So as I told you, we are going to need a communication for this. So before performing further steps, let's build a communication. So for that, first we will go to search. First we'll run ComGuard. Okay, so we can get our ComGuard here. So you can, this is our ComGuard, you can open. This you don't need. Delete. So first we need to add a server. You can say it's a server. So go to add. You can say driver or type. You have to select DVP simulator because we are going to simulate. There are different servers available, but for our purpose, we are going to use DVP simulator. Other things you don't need to change. Keep everything as it is same. You can also change the name. We will name it as test one. Okay. Okay. And it's currently in the stop position. We'll start it. So as you can say, it's start. Now we can close it. Now we have our ComGuard running, but we have to communicate our ISPSoft to the ComGuard. For this, go to tools, go to communication settings. Here communication settings, select the driver. What we named our driver? Test one. Select test one and leave everything as it is and press OK. Okay, so now we have our ISPSoft communicating with our ComGuard. So basically we can perform any simulation we want. Now there is going to be a procedure for every time you want to simulate. So first of all, we made our program. This is a ladder logic. I will explain you in detail how to design the ladder logic and everything, but in the future video, so don't worry, you can get it to it. So the first step will be we need to download this program. So here you can see download to PLC. So first we will download it. So you can just have to press transfer. It will download. When transfer is done, just close it. Then the next step will be compile it. So compile the project. You can compile it from here. So when the compilation is done, you have to first take the project online because we are going to do the simulation. So here there is an online mode. So when you click it, the project is in online mode, but it won't run. So here you can see it's in the stop mode, but it's in the online mode. So to run the program, here you can see you have run or stop option. So just press on run and run PLC confirm. Do you want to continue? Yes. And here you can see the stop changes to run. So now we are going to toggle our input. So basically it's a switch. When you press on, the Y0 output should be on. When you press off, the Y0 output should be off. So you can toggle set on. As you can see, it's on. Set off, it's off. You can again set on, it's on. Set off, it's off. But if you want to make any changes in the ladder logic, you have to repeat the process again. First, you have to take the device offline. Now the device is offline. Now you can edit anything you want. And again, you have to first download, then compile, then take the device online, then run. I will write it for you. So here the steps are download, then compile, then take the device online, then run. So remember this always. So this video was only for the software introduction, so you don't have to worry about anything how I got this network or how this ladder logic is going to work. Just focus on getting the software, download the software and just do what I did. In the next video, we are going to learn more about the ladder logic. That's all for this video and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any question, you can definitely ask in the comment section. Please do like, share and subscribe.